Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool for automation, it's revolutionizing science and medicine in ways we never imagined. From drug discovery to personalized treatments, AI is transforming how we diagnose, treat, and even prevent diseases. But how exactly is this happening? Let's break it all down. One of the most groundbreaking applications of AI in medicine is drug discovery. Traditionally, developing a new drug takes years of research and billions of dollars. But AI is changing that. Instead of manually testing thousands of compounds, AI can analyze massive data sets, identify patterns, and predict which molecules will be the most effective. This means we can develop life-saving drugs in a fraction of the time. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI was used to analyze the virus's genetic structure and help scientists find potential treatments in record time. Today, AI-powered drug discovery is being used to fight cancer, Alzheimer's, and even rare genetic diseases. But AI isn't just helping scientists in labs, it's transforming medical diagnostics as well. AI-powered imaging systems can now detect diseases like lung cancer, strokes, and retinal diseases faster and more accurately than human doctors. By analyzing millions of medical scans, AI can spot tiny abnormalities that even trained professionals might miss, leading to earlier detection and better patient outcomes. Take breast cancer screening, for example. Studies have shown that AI-assisted mammograms can detect tumors years before they become life-threatening, allowing for early treatment and significantly improving survival rates. The same is happening in neurology, where AI is helping diagnose Alzheimer's and Parkinson's long before symptoms appear. Another major area where AI is making a difference is robot-assisted surgery. AI-driven robotic systems, like the Da Vinci surgical system, allow for incredibly precise, minimally invasive procedures. These robots help surgeons perform complex operations with greater accuracy and less risk, leading to faster recovery times and better results for patients. But what about treatment? AI is ushering in a new era of personalized medicine. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, AI analyzes a patient's genes, medical history, and lifestyle to create customized treatment plans. This is especially important for diseases like cancer, where every patient responds differently to treatment. AI can predict which therapy will work best for an individual, reducing trial and error and increasing survival rates. Beyond treatment, AI is also changing preventative medicine. Wearable devices like smartwatches now use AI to track heart rates, detect irregularities, and even predict heart attacks before they happen. These devices are giving people real-time insights into their health, allowing them to make better lifestyle choices and avoid serious medical issues. But AI isn't just improving healthcare. It's accelerating scientific research in ways we never thought possible. In genetics, AI is helping scientists map the human genome, uncovering the secrets of inherited diseases and potential cures. In microbiology, AI is being used to design synthetic proteins and engineer bacteria that can break down plastic or create sustainable biofuels. Of course, with all this power comes ethical challenges. Who controls AI-driven medical decisions? How do we prevent biases in AI models? How do we ensure AI is used responsibly? These are critical questions that governments and healthcare leaders are working to address. But one thing is clear, AI is not just a tool. It is a revolutionary force in science and medicine. It's helping us cure diseases faster, diagnose illnesses earlier, and provide better treatments for millions of people. The future of healthcare is being shaped by AI, and the possibilities are limitless. The question is, how will we use this technology to make the world a healthier place?